Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Edupreneur Diaries. And in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Pandemic Electronic Benefit Transfer, otherwise known as P-EBT. And I also want to walk you through the process of how I'm going to use my P-EBT for the month of February to get groceries and hopefully save my $200 that I budgeted and move that to my car sinking fund. So I'm excited about this. Now, what is the P-EBT? So let's take a look first at a definition. In case you don't know, this is the Pandemic Electronic Benefit Transfer program, which is authorized by the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, which aids families with children who temporarily lost access to free or reduced price school meals as a result of school closures or the reduction of school hours or attendance capacity during COVID-19. Okay, so my son here in Georgia, he is 14, almost 15 years old, and his school is on free lunch, so he did qualify. Now, I remember back last year we got a P-EBT card, and this was for the 2019-2020 school year. And since then, I've really totally forgot about the P-EBT. I haven't been doing any research. I haven't really heard anything else about it until I received something in the mail. And if you don't use Informed Delivery by USPS, I highly recommend that you guys go to this website and you sign up to get notifications. So basically, you're able to get a digital preview of all of the incoming mail that you have for the day. So these are just grayscale images that show you what's coming in your mail. So just like the image that you see here on the screen. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I received in the mail on December the 30th, 2021, that let me know that I had something coming for my son, which is quite unusual because he's 14, right? So I didn't know what it was. I had forgotten all about P-EBT, and I got this notification. And so when I checked my mail, there it was. It was a brand new P-EBT card. Now, if you don't know what a P-EBT card looks like, this is what it looks like. And for this one, it had my son's name. Last year when I got it, it had my name on it. And I remember having to fill out something in order to get it last year, and having to go through this process of getting my son's testing ID number. But this year I didn't do anything. The card was just mailed to me. Now, I'm not sure if this is another one-time payment. I believe it is. When I got the card in the mail, there was already $27 on the card. And it told me that I had a pending balance of $375 that was going to be released on January the 24th, 2022. So today is January the 27th, and the money is on the card. So I wanted to go ahead and place a Walmart pickup, and I want to show you guys how I do that. Now, normally I use the app, but for the purposes of the video, I'm going to use the website in order to place my Walmart pickup. So I have signed in to my Walmart account. So if you have never used Walmart pickup, just create an account. A lot of people like to use Publix. Whatever you want to use, it's totally up to you. But I'm just, everything Walmart. That's typically what I like to do. We have 3 different Walmarts here, so you can just make sure you select the Walmart that you want to shop at. Make sure the correct one is selected. You don't want to drive up to one Walmart and realize that you're supposed to be at another Walmart. So just make sure the right one is selected. And down here it says reserve pickup or delivery. So I'm going to see what times are available. Now, normally I do my pickups on the 1st and the 15th of the month. Now, since February 1st is on a Tuesday this year, or for next month rather, I am going to go ahead and do my pickup on Saturday, January the 29th. Okay, just because it's the weekend, and I'll just go ahead and get up early. Let's do the 8 to 9, and I will go pick that up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save the time. So again, it lets me know which Walmart I'm picking it up at and the address of that Walmart. and I will have to blur this information out, but that's okay. So I'm going to hit save, and then I'm just going to shop for my items. Now I'm going to try to stick to my $100 budget for the first, and then do another pickup on the 15th for another $100, and so that my money can last even into March. That's the goal, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's telling me I have until 8:15 to reserve, or to check out rather. And so I'm just going to scroll down and just start adding things to my cart. Now, for the purposes of this video, I will pause it and come back once I've added everything to the cart. Notice if something is out of stock, they will let you know that it is out of stock. And you have to decide whether or not you want to switch Walmarts and go to another Walmart. Sometimes I do that depending on what the item is, or sometimes I just won't get it and I'll go pick it up somewhere else. Now I can quickly reorder things that I've ordered before, and it has a button for me to shop my items where I can see all items that I have purchased previously. And so I'm just going to go through this list first, and then I'll go back and see if there's anything else I want to add. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go up to my cart, and it tells me I have 34 items. And of course I can view all my items and double check to make sure everything's what I need. You can add or remove your items if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and go down here and check out. Now notice it tells me EBT food eligibility is $99.75. So if there's something that's not eligible for EBT, it will definitely let you know, and you will have to use other funds to purchase those items. Okay, so I'm going to select continue. My total is $101.64 right now, so that's pretty good. I'm trying to stick to my $100 budget. So as you can see, I have curbside pickup for Saturday, January 29th between 8 and 9 a.m. and it tells me my location, the address, the pickup person, which of course I will have to mark those things out of the video. Now if I scroll down here, it lets me know that most of this is eligible for EBT, but there's $2.07 that's not eligible, and so they're going to charge a different card. I'm going to change my card payment real quick, and I will be right back. Alright, so I've changed my card so that $2 comes out of a different card, and now I'm going to place my order. Alright, so it says PIN entry to authorize EBT food debit. So I will have to enter a PIN. Once I enter my PIN, my order was then placed. It says thanks for your order. I have my order number there. It tells me I have 1 day left to add items. So I can go in and I can edit this, and I can add items or remove items as well. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what this looks like when I get a notification on my phone and I actually travel to pick up my Walmart order. Okay, you guys, so I completely forgot to record my process of my Walmart grocery pickup. So I am going to show you guys some screenshots and walk you through how the process works. So the first thing I got on the morning of my pickup was a notification that there were some substitutions that needed to be made because some items were out of stock. Actually, just one item. I decided not to get the substitution, so I did not approve the substitution. So you can approve it or you can decline the substitution. And of course, they will adjust your balance accordingly, right? The one thing that I do like is when they substitute something, the price stays the same. So you may get a substitution that is beneficial to you, that you're actually getting at a lower price. Okay, so that's the first thing that I really love about Walmart grocery pickup are the substitutions and the fact that the price does not change. Alright, so the morning of my pickup, I get a notification on my phone that tells me my order is ready, and all I need to do is click the link to check in. Once I click the link, I get in the car and I drive to my pickup location. Once I arrive at my pickup location, you pull into a parking spot, and there are some reserved parking spots just for Walmart grocery pickup. Once you pull in, on your cell phone, you do need to indicate which parking spot that you're in. So you would click on the number, and also you would let them know what color your vehicle is. Okay, and then you just sit and wait for them to come out with your groceries. And they typically will ask for your name and where you want your groceries, either on the back seat or in the trunk. And then they will place those groceries for you into your car. And you all, it's really just that simple. I've been doing Walmart grocery pickup since before the pandemic. Okay, I used to do it every Friday, once a week before the pandemic. After the pandemic, I've reduced it to every other week that I do a pickup. So my balance for my P-EBT as of January the 24th was $375. That's how much they put on the card. My grocery pickup total was $96.34. This is after I declined the substitution. And so my new balance is $278.66. Here is an actual screenshot showing that I used my P-EBT card as well as another card that I had attached, because if there was one item that wasn't a grocery item and therefore you could not use the P-EBT card. And so here is my total. So this is an actual screenshot here. So I will keep you guys posted if I use my P-EBT card the rest of the month. I will do another video and show you what I purchased. If you are loving this content, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and hitting the notification bell so that you're notified every single time Edupreneur Diaries posts a new video. Thanks for watching. If you need a way to track your bills for the entire year, check out my bill tracker printable in my Etsy shop, linked in the description below.